Students, today we are going to learn the second problem on admission of a partner, which include most of the adjustment. Look at the problem. Sum number 2. Veena and Pearl are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2018 given. Liability side, capital of Veena and Pearl, general reserve, workman compensation fund, creditor are given. Asset side, building, machinery, debtor, stock and bank are given. Derry is admitted on 1st April 2019 on the following condition. So Derry is a new partner. First condition is new profit sharing ratio is given 5:3:2. Students, if new ratio is given, we have to calculate sacrifice ratio for new partner goodwill. Yes. Derry shall bring a capital of rupees 30,000. Stock to be depreciated by 20%. It is a loss item. It is a loss item because stock is asset value decreases, is a loss item. Anticipated claim on workman compensation fund is 1,000. So we have adjustment for workman compensation fund. Then unrecorded investment of 11,000 has to be brought into the books. Then it is unrecorded investment is a profit item. Then sixth one, goodwill of the firm valued at 30,000. Here the new partner goodwill is not given. The total value of goodwill of the firm is given. Its value 30,000 and Derry brought cash for a share of goodwill and the entire goodwill withdrawn by the old partner. So total goodwill is given 30,000, of which Derry should bring a share of goodwill and the entire goodwill withdrawn by the old partner. Prepare necessary ledger account and balance sheet of new firm. In this problem they are not asking journal entry. First we are going to prepare revaluation account, then capital account, then bank account, at last balance sheet. Now I am going to prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account concern, we have to go through the adjustments. We have to pick loss items and profit item. Here there are two items. One is loss item, another one is profit item. So stock depreciated is a loss item. To stock depreciated at 20%. On stock value how much? 10,000, 20%, 2,000. Then unrecorded investment. We have profit item is unrecorded investment. Unrecorded investment of 11,000. So we have to record as profit item. The asset not yet recorded. Now I am going to balance the revaluation account. Credit side is heavier than debit side. So debit side balancing figure we will call as revaluation profit. It should be shared by Veena and Pearl. It should be shared by Veena and Pearl in the ratio of 2:1, old ratio. So 2/3, 1/3. So for Veena 6,000, for Pearl 3,000. Then we are going to prepare capital account. For capital account concern, we have to go through from beginning to end, then only we can prepare the capital account. Yes. Liability side, first capital. It is the opening capital recorded in the capital account credit side. By balance, BD. Opening capital of Veena 60,000, Pearl 40,000. Then, so capitals are taken. Then general reserve. It should be transferred to the capital account to the old partners in old ratio. It should be credited by general reserve. It should be divided in old ratio 2:1. Total general reserve how much? 30,000. So 30,000 into 2/3 and 1/3. 2/3 is 20,000. 1/3 is 10,000. Then workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund should be transferred to the capital account. Here we have adjustment for workman compensation fund. On that, anticipated claim on workman compensation fund how much? 1,000 rupees. So already we set aside how much? 10,000, of which 1,000 rupees payable to the worker. So remaining 9,000 should be transferred to the partner capital account in old ratio. By workman compensation fund we should transfer in 2:1, the value 9,000. So 6,000, 3,000. Then creditor will not come to capital account, building will not come, machinery will not come, debtor will not come, stock will not come, cash at bank will not come. Profit and loss account not given either in the liability side or in the asset side, so we can leave it. Then come to adjustment. New ratio is given, that then Dell shall bring capital of rupees 30,000. The entry is bank account data to Dairy Capital. So by bank goes to Dairy Capital, its value 30,000. Then loss items considered, anticipated claim also we considered, unrecorded investment also we recorded for revaluation. Then goodwill of the entire firm is given. So what we have to do? Goodwill total given, total value given. How much? 30,000. Now we have to calculate dairy share of goodwill. So 30,000. So dairy share how much? The new profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Veena share 5, Pearl share 3, dairy share 2. So dairy share of goodwill is 2/10. So dairy share of goodwill is 6,000. This goodwill shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. So we have to find the sacrifice ratio. We have to find the sacrifice ratio. Formula old ratio minus new ratio. We have to calculate for Veena and Pearl. Veena's old ratio 2/3, Pearl old ratio 1/3, minus new ratio, Veena's new ratio 5/10, Pearl new ratio 3/10. What we can do? So we cannot take common denominator, so we can multiply 30. 30 divided by 3, 10. 10 2s are 20. 30 divided by 10, 3 5s are 15. So 5/30. Then 30 divided by 3, 10. 10 1s are 10. 30 divided by 10, 3 3s are 9, equal to 1/30. So our sacrifice ratio is 5:1. Now the goodwill of dairy how much? 6,000. That should be shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio 5:1. So value of the goodwill how much? 6,000. Shared by dairy and shared by Veena and Pearl in the ratio of 5:1. So for Veena 5,000, for Pearl 1,000 rupees. Then the problem says the entire goodwill withdrawn by old partner. When it is transferred, it will be credited. When it is withdrawn, it will be debited. So to bank, the entire amount withdrawn by Veena and Pearl. How much? 5,000. Pearl also withdrawn. Then we have to transfer the revaluation profit to the capital account by revaluation. Revaluation 6,000 to Veena, 3,000 to Pearl. Now I am going to balance the capital account. 97,000. Already I totaled 97,000. Then 57,000. Then 30,000. 97,000, 57,000, then 30,000. We have to balance this 92, then 56, 92, 56 and 30. To balance CD, by balance PD, 92 to Veena, 56 to Pearl, then 30,000 to dairy. Next, we are going to prepare bank account. Bank account opening balance given in the old balance sheet. Opening bank how much? Opening bank 30,000. 30,000. Then dairy brought capital. It should be debited. So to capital. So dairy's capital how much? 30,000. Then dairy brought goodwill also. It was transferred to Veena and Pearl capital. That value 5,000 and 1,000. Then the same amount was withdrawn by Veena and Pearl. It will be credited by Veena capital, by Pearl capital. The same amount, because entire amount they were withdrawn. Now we are going to close this. 66,000. 66,000. Balance is 60,000. So our closing bank balance is 60,000. Now I am going to prepare balance sheet. For balance sheet, date is very, very important. Here above the balance sheet one date is given, below the balance sheet one date is given. We have to write the new date in the new balance sheet. Then we'll start with the assets. First item, building. For building, no adjustment. For buildings, no adjustment, we can write the same value. Then machinery. For machinery also, no adjustment, we can write the old value. Debtor also, no adjustment, we can write the old value. But for stock, we have adjustment. Stock already 10,000. Now minus reduced 10%. Reduced 20%. So 2,000 reduced. So balance 8,000. Then we have bank. We'll take bank from bank account. How much our bank balance? 60,000. 60,000. Okay, asset side completed. Then come to liability side. First we'll take capital. Capitals of Veena, Pearl and Dairy. We'll take capital account from capital account. Value 92,000, 56,000, then 30,000. The total capital already I recorded 1,78,000. Then general reserve will not come because it was transferred to the partner capital account. Workman compensation fund, of which how much we have to pay to outside workers, 1,000 rupees we have to pay. 9,000 was transferred. So here workman compensation liability 1,000. Students, once again, already we set aside 10,000, of which now we have to pay 1,000. So 9,000 transferred to the old partner capital account. The remaining liability recorded in the new balance sheet. Then we will take creditor. No adjustment. We can write the old value. Now we will go through the adjustment. New ratio we used for calculation of sacrifice ratio. Dairy capital recorded in capital account credit side and bank account debit side. Then stock depreciated, what we did, it included in the revaluation loss item as well as it was deducted from the stock. Then anticipated claim on workman compensation fund, it will go to the new balance sheet liability side. Okay. Unrecorded investment, it will go to the asset side. Unrecorded investment, it will go to the asset side. It will affect two places. One is it is a revaluation profit item, it will be credited in the revaluation account, and since it is an unrecorded asset, it will appear in the asset side too. Value 11,000. Then goodwill. So total goodwill is given. We have to find the dairy share of goodwill. It should be transferred to the old partner capital account in sacrifice ratio. The same amount withdrawn by the partner. When it was transferred, it will be credited in the capital account. When it was withdrawn, it will be debited. Then all adjustments we completed. Now I am going to balance the balance sheet. Balance sheet total is 1,89,000. Balance sheet total is 1,89,000. Students, we completed second problem on admission of a partner. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.